The legendary Nike Air Force 1 returns in a bold new look with the Air Force 1 PRM black and white, redefining timeless style through luxury craftsmanship and modern streetwear appeal. This premium edition stands out with tumbled black leather, metallic star and round studs, and crisp white accents on the heel, tongue, and swoosh. Its quilted sock liner delivers elevated comfort and a touch of refinement, while the classic white midsole and black outsole preserve the iconic AF1 DNA sneakerheads love. Designed for those who crave sophistication with an edge, this pair fuses heritage with contemporary details that make it pop in any rotation. Whether you're a longtime collector or new to the culture, this release brings serious style and substance. Expect the Nike Air Force 1 PRM black and white to drop soon at select Nike retailers and Nike.com for $120, a must-cop for anyone chasing the perfect mix of class and street.